May binili din pala ako ngayong You guys are probably wondering saan na naman tayo pupunta. Guess what? There's nothing new under the sun. We're going to a lead. And itong lead na to medyo malayo-layo from where saan kami nakatira. It's around what? 25 minutes. But it's a decent lead. So I hope you guys are doing well. Today mas maganda ang weather today dito sa Winnipeg. Hindi katulad kahapon. Napakahangin, ang daming mga na-aksidente. I hope everybody is okay. Whoever was involved in the highway accident, sana okay lang kayo. But yes, today's vlog is working na naman tayo. There's nothing new under the sun. At least we're enjoying it. For me, itong ginagawa ko is I'm enjoying it. It doesn't feel like work. It is work, pero it's not like, you know, I have to rely on a boss or a job that I have to be at the job for 10, 8, 12 hours a day. For me, I spend about 4 hours a day, 5 hours a day on the business, and then the rest is talking to clients and investors. That's about it. And then hang out with the family. And we hung out with the family kaninang umaga, had breakfast. So yeah, we're back to work, baby. Guys, if you have any feedback on the vlogs, kung ano pa yung gusto nyong makita, gawin ko, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And also, I'd love to give you a shout out, kaya put your comment down below. Tiga saan kayo, para alam ko din kung saan nakarating tong video ko. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang pala doon sa lead ko. It's okay, they're asking too much. So, I don't think anything will happen on that deal or on that lead, but it is what it is. On to the next one. I'm getting a call. Hello?
Hey buddy.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Okay, sounds good then.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, bye-bye. So, meron nga pala tayong dinner mamaya. Yung kausap ko is one of my potential partner. We have done wholesale together. So, yeah. Dadalhin niya daw yung asawa niya sa dinner. So, why not, right? We'll see. Let me call.
Yo.
Hey. How are you?
What's up? Alright, yeah, just call me then.
Okay, sounds good. Is the guy who's been lending me money. So he's one of my solid investor. He's been on the channel. I think he's been on the, some of my videos. Not sure, pero yeah, he has. We went to Toronto together. Yes. Anyway, yeah, I guess he wants to go lunch. He wants to go dinner. I guess. Okay, let's go. Yeah guys, may binili din pala ako ngayong walking pad. It's a treadmill / walking pad. Para pagka nasa office or bahay lang, pwede tayo mag lakad-lakad. Hopefully it works. Heading to my last meeting of the day, and ito yung mga investor partners ko na i-connect ko sa lender ko. If napanood nyo yung vlog yesterday, by just bringing value to the table and having dinner with them and connecting both of them, I will get paid. Kayo guys, you have to bring value to the table para you guys can make money. I hope you guys have a great night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.